welcome back to a brand new vlog. I'm supposed to upload this vlog this Wednesday, but due to not feeling so well mentally, I didn't want to upload something that was just gonna be me being sad and just, you know, no. So anyway, this is gonna be a really fun vlog because we gotta prep for Milan. Your girl is living on vacation. I'm really excited for that. We're gonna prep for Milan. We are going to meet Daphne today for lunch and stroll around Le Marais. Then we're gonna meet a friend of ours that we haven't seen in forever because she's from Miami and she's traveling in Europe for the summer. So we're meeting her. Haven't seen friends from high school in ages, so this is gonna be really funny. And what else? Then we have a movie night date with our friend that we're going to Italy with, actually. So we're going to the movies in the air and movies in the air. No, we are not going in the fucking cloud. Basically, it's this thing that happens all of summer, from yesterday, I believe, up until the end of August, if I'm not mistaken. And it's every Friday, and basically they just have movies that they project in the air in the big park. It's called La Villette. It's a really cool area for a lot of stuff. There's bars, there's like little fairs where like they do a lot of concerts there. There's a big expo happening right now which is called Pop Air. And, recently with my friends, it was actually really nice, but it's a little bit overpriced for what it is. That's that. So that's the plan for today. We're gonna start packing. We have a very busy weekend, which I think I will vlog getting ready for Miss Lady Gaga's concert. I'm going to see Lady Gaga for the very first time with my best friend and his boyfriend. I'm super fucking excited. I even understand I've listened to Lady Gaga ever since, I don't even know. Probably ever since I was 12. I don't even know. Since I first started listening to music, like really, and I bought my first songs. What are the first songs y'all ever bought on iTunes? Because I know the first songs that I ever bought was like Viva la Vida by Coldplay. Yeah, we're going to see Lady Gaga for the Chromatica Ball, and I'm really excited for that. I've listened to this album so much. I think some of them are just like my ultimate favorite songs, and I just love Lady Gaga in general. Anyway, so this is the outfit for today. I texted a guy and asked what outfit I should wear, and this is what we came on. So yeah, this is from Kukai. I've had this for a while, and this is from Bershka. Had this for a while as well. Yeah, and I'm really tanned, so I like this. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna start packing a little bit for Milan. Wanted to show you guys. I haven't been traveling in ages, and last time I actually traveled, I think it was like, I don't even know, got out of the country, like got out of Paris. That was like last summer, so excited. I'm gonna take you guys along. Obviously, we're gonna be vlogging, we're gonna have fun, and yeah, it's gonna do me some good to just go away for a while, you know. I just feel like everybody's going through something right now. I'm going through it. Well, I'm not really liking it. It's a hot, sad girl summer, so whatever. We'll just deal with it. Anyway, so I'm gonna start packing, show you a little bit, and then I'm gonna head out and see my friend Daphne. So yeah, that's it.
You're my anxiety. I don't want you. You don't need me. I don't need you. But without you, who would I be? I love you.
Bonsoir Paris.
I'm sick of daydreaming. I just want the feeling of you in my bed. I'm down to just waste time right below your waistline. Want you by my head. I'm done with all this FaceTime. Need some alone time, baby. You're always running in my mind. I'm sick of daydreaming. I just want the feeling.
leader teeth. Rejoice and love yourself today, cause baby, you're born to win. This ain't a fight, let's make a treasure the light. I'm on the right track, baby, I was born to survive. No matter what it pays, your love will orient me. You were born to win, I was born to win. I only asked you to show me a ring, cause I never asked for the rainbow. Now it's the show that you showed me nothing at all. It's coming down on me. Water like misery. Let's make it rain, Paris. You ready? Let it rain. I'd rather be trouble than be seven love. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me, rain, rain. I'd rather be trouble than be seven love. Rain on me, rain, rain, rain on me.
I had the best time ever, like literally the best time ever. So happy I went to see her. The first part of the show, like the first 4 songs she sang, we couldn't really hear her much, we couldn't really see her, and then she moved to the other stage which was closer to us where we were in the pit, and that's where the concert got even better. Just like an incredible night. I don't even know what to say. It was just amazing. Life goals to see Lady Gaga in concert? Yeah, I think so. What a show. I think it was her biggest show of her tour. Because we were 76,000 people. So, yeah. Today is the day where we pack, we prep, do it all before we leave to Milan on Wednesday. So is for Wednesday. I have so many things I need to be doing. I need to see people as well. So today's gonna be like a freaking busy day. So I need to finish packing. I checked in my flight this morning. Got all my tickets ready. Everything's all good. So yeah. Now I still need to have breakfast. I need to glow up a bit, do my toiletry bag and just all of this. So I thought it was a perfect opportunity to vlog for y'all.
I came with a little kitchenette, which actually I really like on these kind of holidays. We've used the fridge a lot, like obviously in the home. This is the bathroom, and this is actually really nice for like, I was going to say for Greece. I think it's just because I'm
Little cheese, we do got the leader cheese. Joyce and love yourself today, cause baby you were born this way. Baby, I was born to survive. Just a little baby, sure I'm man.
I love you. Although you give me fear and pain, you know I can't control. I hate you. Although you give me all the reasons why I found my soul. When I sleep, you're next to me. Even though you're my enemy, I forgive all the harm you've done to me. When I wake,
And
you
you wanna
begging
scream,
me,
don't call me kid,
draining me
don't
of
call
my
me baby.
energy.
Look at this
I
godforsaken ass that
forgive
you
all
made me.
the
You taught
harm
me
you've
colors
done to
and
me.